Which is quickest in a drag race, the new BMW M3 Touring or an Audi RS4? To find out, I'm going to drag race them up this runway over the quarter mile. Two fast estate cars. What will happen? Let me tell you about this Audi. It's got a 2.9 litre twin turbo V6 that puts out 450 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque, driving four wheels via quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs in at just under 1.8 tonnes and it costs £70,000, which makes it seem like a bit of a bargain compared to the BMW, which costs from £85,000. Anyway, let's speak to its driver. Hi Yanni, how are you?
Hi Matt, I'm really good, and this car's lovely.
It's so nice. Love the look of it, love the paint on it, love the seats, although the interior is so red.
No, I think this is really nice. No, I think the red works with the black everywhere.
It just reminds me of the porno mags from the 1980s.
No.
Anyway, tell me the stats on your car. He doesn't know them.
Why didn't you give me a heads up? 3 litre?
Yes.
500-ish brake horsepower?
Yeah, 510. What about torque?
Yeah, 650?
Bang on, 650, yeah. You got four-wheel drive and an automatic gearbox. How many gears has the gearbox got?
7 or 8? 7.
No, it's 8, I'm afraid. And the weight?
I don't think it's going to be that heavy. 1.7?
No, this one's about 1.7. Yours is actually almost 1.9 tonnes. It's quite heavy.
But I am in it, that's why.
It's nothing to do with you, honestly. For some reason, it's quite a heavy car. Price, I've already said the price, but you see if you can guess.
What would I pay for this car? 100 grand?
That one with options is getting on for 100 grand, yeah, you're right, but the starting price is £85,000 for an M3. You must have had an M3 in your time, right? How much did you pay for your M3 back in the day?
Wow, yes, I had the E46 M3 Schnitzel with everything, all singing, all dancing. I think back then that might have been only about 40 or 50 grand.
Nice. Anyway, if you like these kind of drag races and you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss a single upload. And we've got some more drag races with that car, so make sure you are subscribed. You don't want to miss those. Just want to say a huge thanks to the guy that's lent me this RS4 F1 German. Yeah, check out his Instagram by following the link. And if you want to see the stats of these cars side by side and just peruse them at your own leisure, you know, for that kind of like geeky comparison, then just pause the video now. Right, before we drag race, let's do the customary carwow sound check. So here we go. Oh yeah, Audi soft limiter. Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. Crap.
Go on, Yanni, do yours, regular.
Oh wow, no soft limiter?
That sounds all right. That sounds pretty good, actually.
BMW fanboys are creaming themselves right now.
They love a bit of it, don't they? Right. They're going to love the drag race even more when you see what happens. If you're thinking about selling your car, you can do it the easy way through Carwow. It's dead simple, right? All you have to do is upload some photos, give a brief description. Then dealers from all across the country will bid on your car in an auction. Then you just pick the highest bidder. They'll come to your house at the Carwow and put the money in your account. It is so easy. If you want to do that now, check out the service. Click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description below. If you want to do it at a later date or find out more about it, just simply Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you sell your car. Not help me Google. Google "Help Me Carlisle We Will." She doesn't understand me. Buy, sell,
Carwow.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, quattro traction off the line. Come on, baby.
Oh, wow, he's got a better start than me.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Go, here we go.
There he goes. Bugger it. Not gonna lie, my launch was a lot better than yours.
To be fair, it launched and everything was on the dash, so yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know.
I thought you'd have done better than that off the line, but quattro, this just dug in, man. Catapulted me off the line. I thought, well, I'm ahead here, but then that just breezed past, really.
I don't even know if it breezed past. It beat you. To be honest, thought I'd beat you by a lot more.
Do you want to have another go, see if you can beat me by more?
Yeah, that'd be quite nice.
I know. Let's do best 2 out of 3, eh? 2 out of 3. We've got to do 2 out of 3, right?
Always 2 out of 3, that's how we do.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's better off the line that time.
That's better. Oh, that's better.
Oh!
1 car length. 2 car lengths. 3 car lengths.
Our launch was the same then. Bang on, wasn't it? That car is just quicker, isn't it?
Yeah, that was better. That felt more like it.
And what's amazing is that it's carrying more weight as well. It's like almost 200 kilos heavier than this, which gives me an idea. All right, Annie, so what I've done is given you a weight penalty, you know, like they do in racing.
You're now having to race me, but you've got a passenger.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on.
Oh, that's tight.
Oh, no.
Luckily you don't weigh too much, Bav.
No! You did me. You and your passenger. You happy?
Very happy, mate, because obviously I'm not the slimmest of people, plus Bav, plus the weight of this car, and we're still beating you, mate. What are you going to do?
Maybe we could drive your car with no driver.
And that might give you more of a chance.
So the car on its own would be better than with me driving it. Is that what you're saying?
Exactly that.
I'll make him pay for that. All right, and Yanni, you now have 2 passengers.
And we're still going to have the same result.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's a good launch. Come on!
Oof.
Got him again.
He's right.
Got him again. Bring on the next passenger, Matt. Come on. Woo!
Oh, you're right. Have you got any more friends?
I've got more friends and I've got more fans. Just so I get this right, is that 3-0 to me now?
Yeah. It's not finished yet, though. All right, Yanni. Now you've got 3 friends.
Hold on, Matt. His phone's fucking ringing, mate.
What do you reckon's going to happen now?
Same result again, mate. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Come on!
Oh!
Come on!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah, come on! Yes!
I think you just beat me on the line.
Matt, are we putting someone else in, mate? We could be here all day.
Have you got one more friend? Because you've got one more space. I think you need to fill it.
I've got one more space, and mate, if I beat you now, that is a full-blown clean sweep. I'm going home.
Can a BMW M3 with 5 people in it beat an Audi RS4 with just the driver? That's race.
It's very tight in here, Matt. I'm not going to lie, mate. They're all sitting all on top of each other now in here. It's very cosy.
Yeah, but it's going to be humiliating if you still win.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Come on.
Yes, come on!
Oh, we got too much weight. Oh no, we've done too far.
Finally! Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
I took it too far, didn't I? I just went that one extra person too far.
Yes, you did. So, anyway, did I say the only race that matters is the last race, because that's the one that we do the scoring on. Okay, bye.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Audi won, completing the standing quarter mile in 12.0 seconds. The BMW came last with a time of 12.1 seconds. With just the driver on board, the BMW actually took 11.6 seconds to do the standing quarter mile.
All right, now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in just like their normal comfy automatic setting, automatic mode for the gearbox. I'm going to count it in. The first to reach the half mile wins. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's kicked down quicker than his, but now he's going.
It's not bad in standard.
This really shows you how much more powerful that BMW is. It's just walking away from me now.
It's quick in efficiency, isn't it?
It's not a massive difference. I'm not sure if it's worth £15,000, which that costs more than this, but it is a difference, isn't it? What do you think of that?
Mate, I'm not going to lie, in efficiency, that's really quick.
Yeah, it probably wasn't efficient. Basically, when you floor it, it doesn't matter what mode you're in, it will still give you maximum power. It just makes the car a little bit less responsive to give you that power. But anyway, let's take the gearbox and stuff out of the equation and go full on sports mode. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the pickup on this is really good.
Oh, wow, come on.
Oh, it's coming past now, come on. Come on. That was a close encounter with the Seagull. So the pickup on this was better than yours. It really picked up so well, but then you just started to pull on me.
Yeah, this is nice. I'll be honest, this is
Nice as in fast, or both nice and fast?
both nice and fast.
Glad we established that finally. All right, now we have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. The first car to stop wins. If you'd rather watch a drag race with that M3, another one, which is awesome, click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description below to go watch that instead. If not, stay here for the brake test, where I will surely win. I've got to win something. Please win something. Here's the braking zone. Absolutely no way. So we both stopped at exactly the same time, as in hit the brakes, sorry. And this just kept going for the last bit, didn't it? That just dug in.
This was all right, and I actually thought I was slightly late on the brakes. So yeah, listen, all round, this is the one.
It's an amazing, amazing car. I absolutely love it. I love this RS4 as well. I used to have one, but yeah, that BMW is something else. However, if you like a performance car that is less expensive for these, I've found one through Carwow. And if you want to see what the car is and the deal, click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description below. Now, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Click on those windows there for some more videos, and on that box there to go to Carwow to sell your car the easy way. Just upload photos of your car, give them a brief description, then dealers from across the country will bid on your car. It's simple. Thanks for watching.